The dog is never 50. Ooh, look at
this is the heel on leash. Are you ready?
Yes.
Forward.
Heel.
Left turn.
You ready to go? Whenever you guys are.
I'm not saying that's acceptable.
For me.
Right, but I'm just saying that's what happened. So you're asking me back.
Did you say you had a shepherd?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, did you get hip dysplasia?
Yeah.
Are they prone for hip
They are
dysplasia?
prone. They have been prone to it, but you know, you check for that when you buy. You know that they're OFA'd or that there's no history of hip dysplasia. That in the '60s was really a problem. '70s and '60s, because people just kept breeding bad hips.
Yeah.
But now I haven't heard too much of it.
Because their hind legs always seem to kind of drag.
Well, not in a working shepherd. It depends on what some of the conformation ones. Maybe you see that. I don't know.
She did really well considering what she's dealt with all
But you know what other breeds notorious for hip dysplasia? Corgis. I had no idea.
Oh, really?
I had no idea they did.
Little corgis?
Yeah. Which I thought was interesting.
Yeah, that's interesting.
So when you buy a shepherd, you just you do your research.
Uh-huh.
had something to wear, you know.
Well, that's good.
But, I mean, had something to do with it. Oh, we didn't get that. And then things how old, 12 or 16. We didn't get back until like 2:30. The hours first thing. Oh, yeah, they don't.
Well, but as of today, he's still in the night.
Hey.
Now, is this a
Play.
Yeah,
Full-coated. I used to call them.
Oops.
Yeah.
Ready.
Yeah.
Forward.
Heel.
And I love that dog. He was so sweet.
Left turn. Bow.
Not convention shepherd showing the show, is that really not German shepherd?
He would be.
Okay.
They'd be part of the opening clip.
I'm surprised I've not seen him here. So you didn't
No.
yeah, the black ones I ever seen. Those are the doctor. They're wonderful reports.
Yeah, they're released over
Yeah, they seem to have a lot of bones and
Pixie was having to be good.
her cats will have to do that.
They wouldn't do one thing. I think it'll be in a few minutes when this comes down.
Goody.
Why get one? The ribbons. That's the decision I just made. My jacket gets soaked.
Good job.
And I informed her to register the dog.
That's really nice
We could
dog.
lead the horse to the water.